Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So friends, Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. So friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you a beautiful rose petal face mask which will gonna give you a pinkish glow, gonna remove all the tan, all the impurities from your face and giving you a bright, glowy, supple skin. So let me show you how you have to make it and everything about it. Without delaying, let's get started. So beauties, this is my rose petal mask. So this is my first ever time I'm making this. I made this for the first time. Actually, it happens like I was having that rose petals, so dried rose petals. So I was just like, let's throw it away. Then I thought, why to throw it? Let's make something out of it. So I decided to make a good face mask and it helped. It turned out to an amazing glowing face mask. I took some rose petals, I took some raw milk and just made a paste out of it. I applied it on my face and it gave me a beautiful glow, which I'm going to show you right now, that how to make this and how you have to apply it and what are its goodness. So let me show you. Let's proceed to show you guys that how to make this rose petal mask. So friends, here are my dry roses. I'm going to take these dry roses petals and going to put it on my plate and going to let it dry under the sun for 2 to 3 days. So after 2 days, beauties, as you can see, these are totally dried up. Now I'm going to take it, put it in my grinder and going to make a mixture out of it. Beauties, after grinding, adding little amount of milk and there is not any fixed ratio, so just make a thick paste and you are ready to go. So I showed you how you have to make this. Now beauties, let me tell you what are the benefits of it. It has antioxidants in it. Rose petals are like rich in antioxidants. It will gonna reduce your breakouts, your acne. So I was having, I'm having acne prone skin, oily skin, so it helped me in reducing that. It removes my blemishes. It helped me in reducing my dark circles. Can you believe that? Rose petals are so rich in antioxidants. And not only that, beauties, it helped me in getting, the main thing, it helped me in getting pinkish kind of glow. If you're going to apply it like regularly, ritually, basically this will gonna give you a pink glow, and it really does that. You have to apply it 3 times a week at least. If you can apply it regularly, then it's like cherry on the cake, but at least apply it 3 times a week. Just take little amount of it, apply it all over your face before going to sleep at night. Just apply it, wash your face with face wash, then take a little amount of it, apply it on your face, leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes, basically let it dry and then wash it with normal water, and this will gonna give you amazing result. Let me show you by applying it on my face. Here I'm taking a little amount of it, you can see. So this is like, it gives me a proper rosy kind of smell. It is having raw milk. Again, milk is so good for your skin, it brightens up your skin. So I'm taking little amount of it, applying it on my face like this. And beauties, you can store it for like up to 3 to 4 days and then just remake it. Not only that, it will also want to help you in scrubbing your face. This is a mask plus scrubber. Rose petal scrubber it is. After applying it and massaging it for like 2 to 3 minutes, now I'm going to wash my face with normal water and I will be back. So after washing my face, beauties, you can see it gave me a beautiful glow, making my skin so soft and very supple. The best part, it is having antioxidants. Raw milk helps you in getting that brighter skin, soft skin, and rose petals also hydrates your skin. Here it is. It made my skin super good. Now let me show you in the sun that how my skin is looking. So beauties, just go give it a try and try this rose petal glowy mask come scrub or scrub come mask, you can say it like that. And this will gonna give you your desired results, giving you a pinkish glowy, very smooth skin, hydrated skin. So I just love this home remedy because this is very easy to make. All the ingredients are super easily available and there is no side effect as it is totally organic, totally natural. So I just love using it. One more thing, beauties, you can take that rose scrub mask scrub, you can just apply it on your lips also, beauties. It will also gonna help you in getting that pink lips and reducing all the pigmentation and darkness around your lips. So this mask has that much of power in it. Go give it a try, make it, and let me know how it becomes for you, how it helped you in getting that rosy skin. So don't forget to comment in the comment section. Love you so much, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, and I love you so much.